A Pivo H66, not just AirPods. You have a control where you tap the unit, you can listen, adjust, and go to the different songs. And these can be used for a computer, laptop, smartphone. You have a charging case. The charging case comes with the USB-C charging cable. On the side of the unit over here, you plug in your charging cable. As you plug in, you're going to have a percentage, 1 through 100%, and a battery indicator. Located on the other side is a USB-A charging port. If you need to charge your smartphone or any other product, you're able to do that. You're given an instruction guide, multifunctional use, check online for further detail, and about the manual, how to use your product. You're given small and large air covers. They are replaceable. Auto pairing, simply lift up the cover, pull the AirPod out, put it in your ear, left to right, turn your phone on, hit the H66, and we are paired. And we pause by hitting a press and continuing the video, double press, shuts it down, and repeats. So you have here is a nice set of AirPods. They could be easily hooked up to a computer, simply hitting the ear device, Bluetooth, and connect H66. Listen to the review that you can hang up anywhere you like. It has a feather touch button located without disturbing anybody around you. They're comfortable to wear, easy to change the settings, raise the volume, and more. They're very small and compact and fit in the ear. They're easy to press the button. When needing the recharge, they fit into the case and they are magnetic, as you can see, simply put in correctly. And if you ever need to change out the AirPod, simply pull back and pushing back on. Place in the case, allow to charge, close it. Both are charging, as you can see, the indicator, and fits in the pocket. So the next time you need to use the H66, you have it ready for you. It comes with everything you need, your charging cable, case, AirPods, and more. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is the H66 case and AirPods you are looking for.